Welcome to another PointMan tutorial video. This video demonstrates how to create a sketch with markup tools in the PointMan application. First, select the New button on the top right corner, and under System drop-down, select Sketch. Component set to map image will take a screen capture of the map. Select OK. Once in the sketch mockup screen, use the markup tools to complete the sketch. For example, let's create a rectangle to highlight a building. Touch and drag diagonally in the desired area. Select OK. With markup tools, you have additional items you can use. Tap the Notes icon to add notes to your sketch. And then tap Close to finish. The sketch has now been saved in PointMan. This concludes the tutorial on creating a sketch with markup tools in PointMan.